need to pick up my package from YesStyle. Also, I have no shoes on because my brother took his Crocs, and that's what I usually wear. Package pick up. We have obtained the package. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Look at that. Oh my, unbox with me. Got a lot of bubble wrap. Yeah. Let's just dump everything out. This is the COQUETTE kit that I got. So we're going to be doing a COQUETTE makeup look. Hi. Hey, it's Riley again. I already have makeup on, clearly. Okay. If you guys did not know, but you probably don't, I got a package from Oh, you do know because I showed it to you guys. I got a package from YesStyle with a bunch of makeup, and so we're gonna try it. As you can tell, I'm already wearing makeup, so we're gonna take that off first. I'm basically gonna show you like my normal makeup routine and then add on, because my normal makeup routine is like just concealer, mascara, and lip gloss, but I'm not gonna use lip gloss or lip products, I guess, because it's not the same every time. It changes depending on my mood. Anyways, we've got makeup right here. I'm not even gonna wash my face because I'm gonna do that in the shower later and just wipe it off. I am sick, by the way. I'm just gonna take this off and come back. Oh my god, the difference between this eye and this eye. Okay, the makeup is off, so we're gonna reapply it. My camera doesn't know how to focus, so you're gonna have to deal with it. I use this. It is the Revolution IRL Filter Finish in C4 Soft Matte Concealer. Okay, this is difficult because the viewfinder is in fact mirrored, and I put it under my eyes, and I also put it up here, and then my beauty blender is already moist from this morning, but I wet it. It's still wet, and I just blend it out. Blend it out, okay? And then also I just take the excess and put it on pimples and stuff that need covered up. And I don't want to cover it completely because that is horrible for your skin. I just kind of try my best to cover it up. Or I'll wear a star patch. I like the black ones because I like the way it looks on my skin. And then I use this mascara, the Great Lash Maybelline Very Black Mascara. Okay, I'm a feminist happy. I think my lashes look okay right now. So now we got that, so we can work on the YesStyle products. We're gonna start with the highlighter, okay? This is the Glint Stick Highlighter in the shade Milky Moon. And we're just gonna... Okay. Ooh, I need a better camera, guys. Send me a camera PR next. Thanks. Thanks. Without shipping costs, by the way. I don't want the shipping. I don't want to have to pay for shipping. I can't pay for shipping. Anyways, it looks so good. You just can't see it on camera. It's okay. I'll use my phone afterwards. It looks so good. Okay, and then we're gonna try this blush next. And it's the Moist Ampoule Blusher in the shade Cherry Blossom. And I learned my lesson. A little squirt. That's a lot. Guys, that was a lot. That was... Okay, well, it's pigmented. Very pigmented. That's... Okay, you just have to be careful with the pigment. I think it's just because it was the first squirt, so a lot came out. That's my fault, guys. You only need a little bit. Okay, we're putting that much. Boop, 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 boop. A little bit more. And we're going to brush it out. Maybe I should put a little bit more because it's not really showing up on camera. But in real life, this is really cute. And I'm totally using this for events. I'm not going to use this for every day because I literally use the same 3 products every day. For events, you bet You bet I will. You bet. Or like special occasions, not even just for events. Like I'm probably gonna use this for prom, graduation. It looks so pretty in real life. You don't understand. You don't know. Fancy dinners and stuff. And in Europe, I'm definitely going to. Looks so much better in the mirror. We're gonna use this. This is the Sensori My Moment Eye Palette in the shades Stung Rose. Snug. My bad. Not Stung. Snug Rose. It looks so pretty. I literally just use the same brush for everything. Oh, I'm using this shade by the way. Just like all around the lid. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, girl. Popping that pussy. This is so gorgeous in real life, I'm telling you. I'll show you guys the finished product because this camera, it's not that. Everything says in truth. Make her disappear just like poof. Then she's gone. I don't know what the fuck I'm on. Okay, and then we're gonna go in with this brown and just kind of go in over here. Like in a little like outer. See where the crease is, but like on the outside. And I do like that the brown isn't like terribly pigmented just because it is a dark color. Like it's pigmented, but it's not like, oh, one swab, boom, you're, yeah, no. And then we're gonna take, or I'm gonna use all the colors, okay? We're gonna take this color. Ooh, look at that. And we're gonna go like on the inner corner. So it's like an ombre, okay? See that? Ombre. And then we're gonna take this middle one and just kind of, I don't know, I'm winging it. And same thing with the other side. I didn't plan this out by the way, I'm just winging it. And then we're gonna take the super, super glittery one and just, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. And that's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. So now we're gonna take this art class pen for Taj, and now it is broken. Okay, well that's good quality. That's for sure. Look at that shimmer, but it just flew off. But we're just gonna like put it on the inner corner. Okay, now I don't know. Right. No, I don't know when my video stopped. But I did apply the lip gloss, or lip gloss. And let me tell you, I look like a little, you guys don't look like a little Kit Kat. Okay, it cut out on me again. But anyways, yeah, I used to be a Kit Kat girl, basically. I was in the Cabbage Mar, Kino, and Pretty My Love. Anyways, is it cute? I think it's cute. And look, it's all good quality, I'm telling you. You guys should totally get the products too because they're so cute. Anyways, yeah, get the products. And if you do get the products, which you totally should because they're awesome and amazing and I love them so much, use my code STARSTRUCKS with the 4 as an A. If you can't tell, I'm looking in the mirror to see this because I'm using the back of my phone. The links for all of the products will be in the description as well as my rewards code and the link for YesStyle to shop YesStyle. It'll all be down below in the description and also on my card. Bye. Oh my god, I feel like a beauty influencer. I don't think I was meant to be a beauty influencer. 2016 beauty influencer.